Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist on your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. You open YouTube. After opening YouTube, then you see where it's showing library there down, then you click on that. Sometimes it's like this, normally shows like this when you're on your home YouTube interface. Then you click on library, you will see new playlist. So to create a new playlist, you click on playlist. Then here they want you to select the video which you want to be in that playlist. Like, let me just put like this one. Then next, then we make a title for this playlist. Like, let me just call it phone tag. Because sometimes I'm posting phone videos, repairing software, so I'm just like that. Then for privacy, just click to make it public, then create. See, now it's already created. You can check it out, it's already created. If you want to create another one, just click on create new. If you don't want to put any video, you press next. Make it public so that everyone can see it. So that's how you can do it. If you open a playlist, it's very then if you want to add a video into a playlist which you have already created, you open YT Studio for YouTube. After opening it, you click on content. After clicking on content, like this video, how to install Windows on Asus laptop, you click on it. You click on this pen icon, like you want to edit it. Then you come and use check on where it's showing add playlist. After clicking on it, it will bring where you want to add it. You click on it, click done, then you save again. It's already saved